Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Check if your local library offers free Rosetta Stone access. Many public libraries across the country have digital subscriptions included with your library card, so visit their website or call and ask about language learning resources available to cardholders. Step 2. Look into free trials offered directly by Rosetta Stone. They often have 7 to 30-day trial periods where you can access most of their features without paying anything. Just be sure to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. Step 3. See if your employer or school provides free access as an employee or student benefit. Many companies and universities have partnerships with Rosetta Stone as part of professional development or academic programs, so check with your HR department or student services office. Step 4. Join online communities and forums where people sometimes share discounted or free access codes. Facebook groups, Reddit threads, and language learning forums occasionally have legitimate promotions or giveaways happening throughout the year. Step 5. Sign up for Rosetta Stone's email list to catch flash sales and special promotions. They regularly send out limited-time offers to subscribers that can get you lifetime access or significant discounts, making premium features way more affordable than regular pricing.